You sure?
I was 17 when my body changed seemingly overnight. Flesh and blood and raging hormones. So intense. It's like primal.
Oh God, that's so hot!
That boy next door, do you love him?
It's none of your business. But then, one night that summer, everything changed. I was 17 when my mother disappeared. One day she was there, cleaning, making dinner, and the next, she was gone.
What kind of mother would do something like that?
I hate to be the one to tell you this. Hundreds of wives go missing every week.
There were times when I thought she was going mad. She was gonna burn the house down.
Pass the butter.
It was almost like she wanted to have an affair or something.
Could it be that's what she was doing?
Guess anything